Okay, this is going to be quick and dirty. We've got a suspected terrorist incident unfolding down at the Neon Club. Calls are flooding in of an active shooting inside the club. Calls have confirmed the gunmen shot through the crowds on their way in. A Watch 3 car from Midtown Division was driving past and confirmed the building looks to be secured down, with large vehicles blocking the exit points, while the entrance seems to be barricaded from the inside. Counterterrorism has confirmed the Hand has already claimed responsibility for the attack. We've also had it confirmed by the cyber team that several shooters are live streaming the attack. Feeds are being cut, but there are channels on the web that operate beyond regular control. We've got LSPD and paramedics en route, and all local hospitals have been placed on alert to receive victims. There's some big-name acts performing tonight, and we all know that Neon isn't adverse to stretching its capacity limit beyond regulation. Don't kid yourselves, this is going to be a bloodbath, so I want you all in there, shutting these assholes down.
What do we know about the situation inside?
Not much. We've got conflicting numbers, but we know at least 4 gunmen are armed with automatic weapons. Early studies of the live stream footage also have at least one wearing what looks to be an explosive vest. They won't hesitate to kill civilians, so we need to stop them before they can do more damage. We can't start saving people until these guys are neutralized. This isn't going to be pretty, so get with your elements and get ready to move.
Got your 6.
Doc to entry team. There may be one or multiple active shooters on site. Move quickly and clear the area.
Split the stack on this door. Got it.
Doors unlocked.
Mirror it.
Yep. Mirror ready. Opening on the right. Looks safe. All clear.
Open and clear.
On it.
Let's go!
Opening on the right.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Empty over here. No contact.
Provide support on me.
Behind you.
Dropping a chem light. Get the door and move in.
Getting into play.
Swap with me. Swap.
I'm going!
Securing the area for any contact.
Stack up.
Stacking. You gonna move? You're in my spot. Door is good.
Check it with the wand.
Copy. Got the wand. It's clean. Clear.
Get the door. Clear it.
Doing it.
Moving!
Nothing here, sir. Nothing. Light stick out.
Cover the area.
Ready. It's open. We're good to go.
Mirror for contacts.
I'm on it. Wand is ready. I'll wait right side. Safe. No traps. All good here.
Move in and clear.
Copy that.
Swap with me.
Moving in!
It's clear over here, boss.
I got nothing here. Doing the sweep.
Post up and cover.
No problem.
Mirror for suspects.
10-4. Unlock. Mirrors ready. Opening on the left. Looks clean. Nothing.
Through the door and clear.
10-4. Drop the gun!
Swap.
Don't run!
Hands up,
Write it down!
Provide support.
Dropping a light. Restraining. Zipped up. Evidence secured.
Mirror for contacts.
Roger.
Post up and cover the area.
Moving up. It's open. We're good to go.
Use the mirror. Check for targets.
Affirmative. Wands ready. Nothing. We're good. We're clear.
Open the door. Clear it.
10-4.
Moving in.
Something here, sir.
Fall in.
Behind you. You gonna move?
Split the door.
Moving up.
Good.
Wanted.
All right. I got the wand. Opening on the right. No traps visible. No contacts.
Move in and clear it.
Consult me.
Going in. Opening on the left.
Good here.
Light stick out.
Provide support.
You got point.
Get down now! Put your hands up!
One suspect down. Breathing. Good to go.
Lead, this is Talk. Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
Ready.
Element to talk. Suspect is bleeding out. Needs medical aid.
This is Talk. Medical assistance standing by.
Cover the area.
Getting into place.
Door is good.
Wanted.
Yep. I got the mirror. Looking good, sir. Looks good.
Move in. Clear it.
On it.
I got nothing here.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Doing a sweep.
Open and clear.
Done.
Let's switch. Swap with me.
Moving! Opening on the right.
I got nothing here.
Dropping a light. Good here. Checking
The area.
In the way, Chief.
Gonna pack it up. Evidence good to go.
Fall in behind me.
Got your
Suspect
back.
ready to go.
Use the wand. Check for
Roger.
targets.
Wand ready. Negative on any devices. Got one here. Nothing in hand.
Post up.
Ready. Doors unlocked.
Ram it. Flash and clear.
Roger that.
Taking it down.
LSPD, come out!
Empty over here. No contact. You're safe now. Civilian is ready.
You really have to do this?
Civilian good to go.
Talk to lead. Send him.
Come out, now! Come out with your hands up!
Stay on me.
Down on your knees! Hands up, do it now!
Element, this is Doc. Continue mission.
Split the stack and provide cover.
Into position.
Door is good.
Deploy C2, then flashbangs.
Let me
Clear
help
the
you,
room.
man.
Ready. Now party. Let's float. Deploying explosive.
Doc here. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Hands up!
Cops in ready. Talk. Element, this is Doc. Trailers en route.
Civilian in our custody.
Talk to lead. Trailers en route.
On my six.
Secured. Suspect isn't going anywhere.
Hands on your head!
Get down!
Police, get down!
Now let's
Hands on your head, do it now!
Slowly, okay?
I got him. Civilian ready to go.
Talk.
Lead.
Civilian is good to go.
Good to go.
Compliant.
Entry team, this is Talk. Notifying trailers.
Mirror it.
Got it. Mirror ready. No device here. No contact.
On me.
I'm with you.
Move in and clear it.
Roger that.
Switch with me.
Moving in. Cuffing.
Detaining.
On me. Move.
Zip Listen up and good to go.
Drop it and put your hands up! Suspect is in your house.
Notifying Tim.
I got it. Copy.
Ready to talk. Suspect is incapacitated.
Talk to entry team. Make them stable and proceed with mission.
Entry team to talk.
One suspect down. Breathing.
Good to go.
Got him. Safe.
I got it.
You're gonna be okay.
Evidence. Good to go. Cuffs are on.
Get us out of here. You have to get us out of here.
Doc here. We're ready for him.
Good to go. Go ahead. Got it bagged.
Police, hands up!
Doc 40. Notifying board.
Are we safe here?
Stay here. Stay calm.
Please don't hurt me. I'm just a waitress.
Talk. We have an individual in custody.
Doc reporting. Trailers inbound.
Search the room for contacts.
Here.
Hands up above your head. Head on the ground. Move. Get down. I want to see that. Put your hands up.
All right.
Police, get your hands up. Turn around. Don't get up.
Got him. Evidence secured.
Search and secure.
Checking the area.
Checking.
I didn't sign up for this kind of shit.
Put your hands where I can see them.
Get me.
Hands up above your head. Hands up
One
now.
of them, are you?
Turn around and stay still.
Stay on the ground. Don't get up.
They
Civilian
were
ready.
going to kill me.
Element to talk. Civilian is secured.
Doc to element. Proceed with mission.
Start a search.
On it.
Entry team, this is Talk. Nicely done, entry team. Roll in.